happy now? Peri, I have nothing to hide.
Juliet, why have you been ignoring my calls?
Why do you think?
Pez, you're early.
You were not meant to see this.
I waited months so we could be together, be a proper couple. But it feels like I am still waiting.
What are you talking about? I'm here. I love you.
But you don't trust me. There is this huge part of you that will never let me in. Maybe we do need space from each other permanently.
Then I lost you, and it hurts like hell.
How are we supposed to move forward when we're constantly doing a runner from our feelings?
Can we start again? No more running.
You need to end things with Juliet.
What's that?
For the last time, there is nothing to worry about.
I don't want them
Why don't you call Juliet?
secret.
I'll let her sweat a bit longer.
I don't want them to know the way I loved you. I don't think they'd understand.
We need to break up.
I don't think
Peri.
they would accept
No.
me.
I'm sorry. We're done.
I loved and I loved and I lost you.
You know, one day you're gonna look back at how you treated me through all this, and you're gonna kick yourself for letting some creep pull us apart instead of believing what's staring you right in the face.
All I see staring me in the face is a deluded, obsessive little girl.
Fine! Don't believe me, I give up!
Jules, I owe you a massive apology. I should have believed you about Timmy.
Did you think it'd be that easy? A quick apology and I'd forget how pathetic you've made me feel.
Do you love her?
Yeah?
And is it worth risking all of that? Just to prove your point?
I love you. And I'm going to spend the rest of my life protecting you.
I don't want to get married.
Well, I wasn't going to ask, but it's nice to know where I stand.
You've got a ring.
I bet you wish you said yes to marrying me now, before you went asking.
Turn it over. I loved and I loved and I loved.
Juliet. Juliet. Will you marry me? Juliet? Juliet?
And I lost you. And it hurt.
I love you.